Alright guys, we just got here. It is almost 1 in the morning. So pretty much, this is what the house looks like during the day. Here we go. It is right in this wooded area. Voila. So here we go. There is probably all kinds of animals in here. Hello? I can hear something. Hello? Hello? Maybe like a cat or something. So I will show you the footage of what I caught last night when I was here for like 5 seconds. So like it like jumped down here and like you saw it through like that hole right in the middle of that debris. I do got a mask on, by the way, because I don't know, I'm not really sure what's on the floor, you know, just it could be like a bunch of bat shit. Could be like mold or something. And you know, you don't want to breathe that shit in. So pretty much basically what I was saying in my intro earlier is this place kind of just collapsed. This side of the upstairs floor collapsed. I'm not really, yeah, you got some of the roof right there. The rest of it's kind of here. So basically this was a couch. They're like kittens out there or something. You hear that? It's like kittens or something. Or baby raccoons or some kind of animal. Gotta be careful with this floor. Look at this old cool chair. That's sick, man. This was a couch. You can see all the springs. You can see like where you'd rest back. Sit down here, rest your arms here, you know, put your drinks there. Just vibe out. And this is the front door, by the way. Yeah, it's pretty destroyed. Got the old lighting. So there was electricity here at one point. Got like a storage room. This whole room just collapsed. The whole upstairs. Like, look at that. That's so cool. I apologize for this really shit ass quality. Yeah, this is pretty much the best I can do for now. I'm not really sure what that was. There was an animal or something up there, dude. I will see. Whoa, yeah, that's cool. Alright, well. We got another room here. Is that full? Nah. No, we got another chair. That's sick. Got a window. Super old window. Got another. What is that? A door? It's like a closet. Got a closet. You got the. Hold up. Dang it! I would go over that farther. You can see. Got like the old electric box back there. It's pretty cool. Not sure what that was. So we got a bed here. The whole bedroom floor. So pretty much this was an upstairs bedroom and it collapsed down. So it's kind of tough. Got another closet up there. Got the roof, the hole. It's sick as frick. Got another room. This room's pretty destroyed too. Not sure what that is. Got another chimney. Got like another fireplace down there. You could barely even make it out. This whole side of the house just fell in. Got an old light switch. Got some important information. Never fucking do this. I'm just really stupid. Like, I'm really freaking stupid for doing this, but I low-key kind of want to know what's upstairs, so. Yeah, see, that was a room. And then the whole floor just collapsed and fell down below. So, it's probably not the smartest idea to walk across here. Just in case, you never know. Hello? Dude, I know someone's in there, either a person or an animal. Pretty sick. Yo. Yo. I'm really not sure. But like, for real, dude, how stupid do you gotta be? We're just absolutely stupid. I'll take it slow as fuck. This is pretty much as far as I can go in that one room. Not really sure what was in there. I think that was a couch or something, or a bed. Okay, yeah, well, there's like some animals in here, so I'm just gonna. Oh my gosh, dude, I'm so stupid. That's pretty much it.